Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you that it comes with the 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So I will check that. Here, as can you see, we got only SIM jack 2, and inside of this paper box we have only the USB cable and some paperwork, and unfortunately we have not here any adapter. So if you want to buy the adapter to use it with the headphones on your device, you should buy the adapter separately. Also, like the headphones, unfortunately we have no here inside the box, so we should buy them also separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.